Amit Mahari, who is sponsored by Government of Bodoland Territorial Region. Thank you, CM sir.
Diana University Award for Best Actor Male 2021-22 goes to Om Prakash Karkar. Please select. Thank you. Congratulations, Om Prakash Karkar.
Please round of applause for Om Prakash. The award carries a check of rupees 1 lakh along with certificate and
Concerned organizer. Venue now Mangalam MP, Rajya Sabha, Shri Rendra Najak Kauhai, certificate ko hule muri khore ne sere bichani thakai nang se memento boy ko akai ko nani ne muri khore bai.
The winner of Santi Visumadar Award for Best Actor Female 2021 and 22 is from Dhaka Jammu Kashmir, Manisa Hazwari. Thank you very much, sir.
Goes to Mona Lisa Hazwari for Dhaka.
Check of rupees 1 lakh. Basic answer meeting program organizing for again.
जोरदार तालियां होना चाहिए once again.
Certificate and a check of rupees 1 lakh.
Aku moजां मोनो, मा मोजां मोना, बे बाथ्राखौ आङो न'सिंथुला। नाथाय नों फंसे बाथ्राखौ मिथिनानै ला सोरां। आंनि जिउआव मिनिनाय लाबोनो गिबि सुबुङानो।
Terus kebayang, cukup bang.